Hey there, this is Rebecca Mon, and I'm going to show you how two of Greg Tang's Tangy Tuesday puzzles work. These we often do in school, but also will come home for homework occasionally. And some of these, not snake, but some of the other ones are games on his website, gregtangmath.com, so your child can practice on their website too. And his games are all very valuable with lots of practice of various mathematic skills. So this one is obviously arithmetic practice, practicing addition and subtraction. This is a level 1. So I couldn't get any level 1s without answers in them for free because I do pay for the level 2 subscription. So level 2 will be harder numbers because we would expect that most students would have mastered this kind of computation in first grade. But anyway, it's a snake puzzle. There's 2 of them. And you fill in each blank box in order, combining the numbers from the previous 2 boxes. So I always recommend to students to take it slow. Try not to rush, because if you make a mistake from rushing in the beginning, the rest of the puzzle is wrong. So we don't want them to get frustrated, so encourage them to take their time. Also encourage them, they really have to pay attention, and this is just a lifelong thing. You remember it from school, you got to pay attention to the sign. Is it plus? Is it minus? I know as a kid a lot of times I added when I was supposed to be subtracting, so just what you can have them watch out for it. And again, just like with any other puzzles or homework, it should be a review. If it's difficult, let me know so I can support them. So we just start 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. I know the answer is already written, so I'm not going to go crazy. And we follow along the puzzle, and if everything is correct, 2 plus 1 is 3. When they get over here, 3 plus 1 should equal 4. Okay? So then the same thing down here, second puzzle, same thing. Requires them to do, quite a good amount of computation. If your child is a little overwhelmed by the amount of computation this page, tip from school, excuse me if this goes out of view for a minute, is fold the paper in half or cover the bottom half with another paper so they're only looking at one half at once. This is something else. So that's my tip. So that's snake. The other puzzle I was going to show you is called Kakooma, which is definitely a fan favorite in our classroom. The Kakooma puzzles are also online. Kakooma puzzles require the kids to do a lot of kind of quick computation in their head. So in each 4-number square, find the number that is the sum of 2 other numbers. Use all 4 sums to create one final addition problem and solve. So let's break it down. This one doesn't actually have the answers up here. What we do in class is we're looking, or at home when they're doing this puzzles, we're looking for a number in this square, 4-number square, that is the answer when you add 2 other numbers up. So sum means answer to addition problem. So 5 is the sum of 3 plus 2. So I actually have the children circle in class the 5, so you can do that if you would like. They have also, if you can see down here, written it down here, you do need to transfer it, or the kid needs to transfer it down there as well. Okay, this one, so if you do some quick calculations, you can see that 4 is the sum of 3 plus 1, so you circle that. Over here we've got 9 is the sum of 5 plus 4, and 7 here is the sum of 3 plus 4. Okay, so then they transfer the rest of the numbers down here. These are challenging to trace. There you go. And now you do the same thing. This is a new puzzle. So in this 4-number puzzle, 9 is the sum of 5 plus 4. So you write that in your final answer box. So that is your little tutorial on Kakooma. And again, if it's difficult, or if your children have any questions, our difficulties with the computation, let me know and we will work on it in class. Thanks.